Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a studio photograph 2 at the Softbox continuous photo lighting kit with the carrying bag. It comes with the 2 at the light stands and 2 at the 50-70 single lamp head US soft boxes, and then 1 at the box Oxford bag, 1 English manual and English installation instruction. Let me give you the spec real quick. It's the brand is Casio, and the background stand size is 2 meter by 3 meter. Fish mount clamp. Color is black. Plug type is US standard, and then the color temperature is 5500 K. Material made of a high quality nylon. Size is 20 inch by 28 inch large soft box. Function: automate soften light stream and remove shadow to make perfect shooting. Maximum up to 135 watts, 50-70 light bulb. Individual length is 9 feet for the plug. Color is black and silver. Outside and in. Minimum light losses and maximum light spread. 2 level of light control available. So let's go and then unbox this. So they come with one of this printed page instruction manual. I think this too might be the light bulb. Yep. So take it out for you guys to check it out real quick. Hopefully it's not broken. So wow, look at this is so big. Holy. This is 135 watts, 120 volt, 5500 K. I'm gonna open this up. I'm not sure. I think this might be the stand. Yep. It's pretty good stand. Hope it's not gonna break easy. So let's see. So I need to loosen this up. And this is for adjustment. Tighten it up. Wow. It's pretty tall. So these are the light box. It's a power cord, on and off switch, your filter, so this is where you put your, or screw in your light bulb, and also so that's it. And on the side right here, you got the Velcro for your white filter. So all four corners. And this is where you screw or mount it on the stand. So it's nice. You could vertically or sideways. And right here is to tighten your angle. So yeah, it's a pretty good review on this unit. I think it's a 4.8 out of 5 stars overall. Check this one out real quick. So yeah, they say you might want to keep the styrofoam and then the box when you want to carry around, so your light bulb will not get messed up or get damaged. And here's your carrying nylon carrying bag. With the zipper on the flap. And then there's a Velcro, so don't hurt your hand. Anyway, I'm going to show you on what it's going to look like with this thing mounted. So you need to flip it, okay? Because right now it's inside out right now. So actually you can move it up even higher. So let me do that for you guys real quick. So yeah, it's pretty high up there. In case you want it up high, you want to adjust the base for the tripod to be wider, okay? Let me show you guys that real quick. So right now it's the widest base, okay? There's some viewers saying that it is wobbly because they probably put up too high. Make sure you adjust wider so you have a better balance on the bottom, so your box will not tilt forward or fall down, okay? So let me just give you guys a test real quick for the light box. This is with the lights right now, just one light. And if I turn it off, and that's kind of dark, okay? So when the winter is coming, indoor is still very dark. So it is pretty hard for me to film for the YouTube. So that's why I get this light box. So you guys won't see me in the darkness, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.